Hello and welcome to Maths Albatwa today. Today I want to take you through a concept in Venn diagram. Okay, we're told to draw Venn diagram and shade the region that represents the following. Okay, the first one is B. Is it said B? Second one is B intersection P only. Third one is B union P union R. And the last one is B union P union R, all complements. So let's start. We should say set B. Okay, so let's go. We are here. So we're told to shade set B. So watch and see what I'll do. I'm going to say shade set B. Watch and see. So set B. I'm going to shade the whole of this place. Yes. They say we should shade the entire circle that contains B. Yes, this is the shading. So we can say that what? That B is shaded. I'm going to say that set B is shaded. B is set B is shaded. All right. So B is shaded. Now B is shaded means that what? The circle passes through some the set B, cut across little part of what? Of set P and little part of set R. Okay. Now the next one says we should shade P intersection. Sorry, B intersection P only. Look at it. He said we should shade B intersection P only. Okay. Now please watch here. B intersection P only means that what? B and P only without entering R. So the shaded portion is going to be this place. It's going to be this place here. Yes. This place here is a required shaded portion. You see, I tactically shaded that place without entering where R is standing. If I mistakenly add like this, I would write, if I mistakenly add this part, I'm going to say B intersection P. I will avoid the use of only. That's because the shaded portion contains a small part of set R. So, but since they say B intersection P only, it means what? The B and P only without entering R. So I'm going to say B intersection P is shaded. Okay? Or I will say B intersection P intersection R complement is shaded. That's another way of describing that shaded portion. It means what? B intersection P intersection P means B and the place that is common to B and P. Now, complement on R means that what? That R is not involved. That's what it means. Okay, now let's go. Next one says we should shade. Look at it. The next one says we should shade B union P union R. The union of the three sets put together. What it means is go ahead and shade the whole of the three circles. The union is a collection of all the sets put together. That's the meaning of union, but without entering the rectangle. The rectangle represents universal set. Universal set means the largest possible set you are talking about at the moment. If you are talking about the entire student in your school, that may be an example of universal set. The other set will be formed from that universal set. Or the number of students or number of staff in your company, that may also form universal set. Then the various departments in your company will now become like subset of the whole universal set. So the entire rectangle is represent universal set, while the three circles inside represent the three sets we are talking about. The next one says, so here B union P union R is shaded. That is the shaded portion. That's B, the whole of B and P and R, the entire region, common to all of them is shaded. Okay, the last one says, okay, before I answer the last one, if I shade only this place like this, yes, what would have been the answer? It would have been what? It would have been B intersection P intersection R. But this is not what we were told to shade. So you remove it and answer the last part of the question. Remove it and answer the last part of the question instead. So the last part of the question says we should shade B union P union R or complement. Or complement. It means shade outside of the circle without entering the place that B that concerns B, P, and R. So you just shade outside of the circle without entering inside. Sorry, outside of the triangle rather, of the rectangle rather. Shade outside of the rectangle without entering any of the sets. Without entering any of the set, the circle that represent the other sets. Okay? Alright, so the shaded portion can be described as what? B union P union R, all in bracket, complement means what? Not B, not P, not R. Every other thing is happening outside of the three sets. That's why we shaded outside of the rectangle without entering the set. Okay, so shaded portion is this. This is shaded. Alright, so we've learned that there's a difference between B intersection P is shaded and B intersection P only is shaded. Is that okay? Alright, only means that you did not enter the other third one. Now let me give you something to do for me now. Something to do for me now. Please ensure you please the answer in the comment section as soon as you are done. So let's have it. So we have a diagram that has been drawn for you already, and the whole of this part is shaded. So please select any of the answer that matches any of the option that matches your answer. Thank you very, very much for watching this video to the end. Please do well to like, to share, to subscribe if you are here to do so, to follow, and please do well to tell somebody about Math Hour Batua. Bye for now.